Got the subs pulled in my apartment, and finally got back home from college, so decided to pull this sub out because this is the one that's not playing. So I'm gonna see what's up. Okay, I just got the sub out of the box. If you look right there, snap the tinsel lead. I'm just going to resolder it. I think it'll be fine. But yeah. Let's look at the coil real quick. Still golden. Let's see here. Here's the Phi out of the box. Just chilling. It's a nice little 300-watt sub. It'll take a little bit more than that for sure. I was just playing a little bit too low for it to handle the box, which caused the tinsel lead to snap. Here we go. Look at that. Got it back. Here, let me get it. It looks kind of ugly, but it's soldered all the way around and whatnot, so it's attached. And let's see with the what the multimeter reads. It reads 4. We're in the clear. Let's turn to ohms. 3.8. You know, good to go for the most part. Still kind of hot because I just got done, but yeah, it's reading 3.8, 3.7, 3.9. Good to go. So that's a little quick fix on this Phi X. You know, that I'm not really worried about it that much. I mean, I'm planning on upgrading this summer still, even though it was a quick fix, and we'll see if it plays well. Put it back in the box and in the Jeep in a little bit, so you might see some videos of the Jeep still. And just to make sure, final reading, bam, fixed, done. Going back in the Jeep. Alright, a quick test to see if everything works. We'll see what it does.
Like a candle, niggas be dressing off the mannequin. I get fresh like where them cameras is.